Hello dear learners, welcome to English with Fatiha, your school channel for loving English and connecting with the world. In today's episode, we're going to study environment and ecology vocabulary. Let's get started.
Environment.
Environment. Environment.
Environment.
Environment. Environment. When we talk about environment, we think about water, air, land, plants, animals, and people. Let's find out what it means. Environment is the air, water, and land in or on which people, animals, and plants live. Example 1. To maintain a clean environment, we must dispose of garbage properly. Example 2. To protect the environment for the future generations, people should develop cleaner living habits. Now let's move on to discover what ecology is.
Ecology.
Ecology. Ecology.
Ecology.
Ecology. Ecology. Ecology is the scientific study of the relationships between water, air, plants, animals, people, and land of a particular area. As we said, ecology means the scientific study that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. Example 1. Camellia hopes to study ecology at the university. Example 2. Jane is a PhD student. She works on a research project that studies all areas of biology, including botany and ecology fields. Can you name some of the words related to environment? Let's see some pictures. Flora means the plants of a particular area or a particular type of environment or period of time. Fauna means all the animals living in an area or in a particular period of history. For example, the specialists study the rare species of the local flora and fauna. Next, rainforest is a thick forest in tropical parts of the world that have a lot of rain. For example, the Amazon rainforest. Next, we have plants, oxygen, earth, Recycling. The process of treating things that have already been used so that they can be used again. For example, the recycling of plastic waste. Next, extinct animal. An extinct animal is no longer in existence. For example, dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago. Next, we have plastics. Sewage means used water and waste substances that are produced by human bodies that are carried away from houses and factories through special pipes or sewers. For example, the municipality bans the dumping of raw sewage at sea. Environment problems. Can you name some of the environment problems? These pictures may help you. The first one, air pollution. Next, deforestation. Deforestation, the act of cutting down or burning the trees in an area. Oil spill is the leakage of petroleum onto the surface of a large body of water. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere. They absorb sunlight and solar radiation. These pollutants trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. Landfill, an area of land where large amounts of waste material are buried under the earth. Next, garbage, waste, or we say trash. For example, don't throw the garbage on roads. Overpopulation is the fact of a country or city having too many people living in it. Land pollution, water pollution. Noise pollution is unwanted or excessive sound that can have harmful effects on human health. For example, hearing loss or sleep disturbances. Noise pollution comes from factory machines, vehicles and airplane traffic, and from outdoor construction activities. We study more environment problems. Sewage chemicals. Sewage chemicals are chemicals that are used to treat and clean wastewater. Insecticides, exhaust fumes, logging, drought, desertification, Greenhouse effect is the impact of the heat-trapping pollutants, like for example carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. Smoke, traffic jam, endangered species. These are species that are at risk of no longer existing. For example, the Asian elephant is an endangered species. Now let's practice. Exercise 1. Rearrange the letters to write words related to environment. First example, environment. Please just pause the video, take your time, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. When you finish your exercise, you can resume and continue the video for correction. Number 2, forest. Number 3, species. Climate. Desertification. Rainforests. Ecology. Overpopulation. Drought. Plants. Fauna. Oxygen. Pollution. Earth. Recycling. Extinction. Animals. Plastic. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences with appropriate words from the list. Rainfall, desertification, oxygen, species, rainforests, trees, land, deforestation, logging, drought, rain. Read the 3 sentences, take your time, pause the video. When you finish your exercise, you can resume the video and continue for correction. The massive deforestation and destruction of other vegetation in the tropical rainforests have decreased the oxygen in the air. By cutting down trees and plants in these forests, some animal species have also disappeared. The logging for the purpose of heating or cooking in the country has resulted into arid and deserted land, causing an alarming desertification in the area. The yearly rain in the desert is usually less than that in the tropical areas where rainfall is very heavy almost all the year. For this reason, many people leave their villages because of these long periods of drought. I hope you have all correct answers. Let's practice the last exercise of today. Exercise 3. There are 20 words in this puzzle. All of them are related to nature and the environment. Find the words and write them down. The words read horizontally and vertically. First example, waste. So please just pause the video until you finish the exercise and then you can continue and finish your correction. River, lake, organisms, smoke, traffic jam, factories, toxic, chemicals, seas, sewage, ozone, pollution, environment, cars, water, ecosystem, coal, oil. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you like it. I hope you learned some vocabulary that you may use, those vocabulary items related to environment and ecology. Please, if you have any questions or any comments, just don't forget to write them down. I'm going to answer all your questions. Thank you again and see you next time.